BMW Manufacturing reached a historic milestone in South Carolina as the 7 millionth vehicle came off the line at the Spartanburg plant. To mark the occasion, the factory crew crafted a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, a BMW ALPINA XB7 finished in Alpina green metallic and powered by a 4.4-liter Alpina bi-turbo V8 engine that delivers an incredible 631 horsepower. This special ALPINA XB7 is not just another production vehicle. It is a symbol of what BMW's Spartanburg plant has become over the past 30 years. This particular unit will not be sold or shipped. Instead, it will become a permanent part of BMW's historical collection, staying on site to honor the people and achievements that made this milestone possible. After it rolled off the line in March, the SUV received white glove treatment from the plant's Alpina team. They added exclusive touches like an Alpina-specific front apron, rear spoiler, diffuser, embroidered floor mats, and a commemorative badge, making this XB7 even more unique. Inside, the SUV continues to impress with 23-inch Alpina Classic CS16 wheels, Tartufo full merino leather seating, Alpina walnut nature black trim, and a panoramic Sky Lounge LED roof. It even features second-row captain's chairs for added luxury, while the steering wheel is stitched in Alpina blue and green with the badge proudly displayed in the center. In 2024 alone, nearly 400,000 BMW vehicles were assembled at the Spartanburg facility, with about 225,000 of them exported to over 120 countries. That volume highlights the plant's importance, not only to BMW, but also to the global automotive market. This milestone shows more than just production numbers. It represents dedication, craftsmanship, and the spirit of a team committed to quality. As BMW gears up to manufacture fully electric models at this same plant, the future looks just as bold as the legacy they have built. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting automotive milestones and stories.